Hello guys, welcome to another video here. In this case I wanted to make a special EDC for two reasons. One, we have a huge storm where I live, and you will probably see a few lightning, so I wanted to capture this kind of look into the EDC, where you can see where I put my stuff, and also I guess hopefully some lightning and noises and that kind of things. And the second thing, there you go, and the second thing special on this video is that you will see where I put my stuff, where I drop all my stuff when I get home, in just a second. So let's start it. I have my EDC bag. This is the Max Vision Sitka. As you can see, I have the roly-poly deployed because I use it with some food that I got on the road, and I needed to walk a few blocks to my car, and I needed to just carry. So I deploy the roly-poly and carry on there. But you'll see that you already saw that this. I can't even speak today. You already saw this bike in a previous video, so I will not go into detail. Then let's talk about my wrist. I'm carrying a paracord bracelet in one of them, the audio ring with black, and the knot for closing. And this is where I keep my stuff. This basket is next to my bed, and right now I'm not on my room, but that's always next to my bed, so I throw all the things right there. You will see that on a small thing around here somewhere in the screen. Next, on my left pocket, I have my car keys. I drive a Peugeot, or whatever you want to call it, with the remove before flag lanyard thing. I have some money, which is very strange. I have 30 pesos, which are like $3. Yeah, 20. Nothing on the left. I have the Galaxy S3 on the right, alone with the I Love case. Also, I will take out my watch now. This is a I use always the digital watches. I use it on the inside of the wrist because it's more comfortable to me, and it protects a little bit the crystal on the front. So I carry a Casio SGW100. This watch has a compass and a thermometer, which is always nice. But flashlight, I've been carrying the Phoenix LD01 with the small lanyard that I made. What else? The other day I just grabbed my Zippo because it's always nice to have different toys to play all day long. And last but not least, I have my Fisher Space Pen in some kind of camouflage version, which is really crappy because all the paint just started to come apart, and it's not so nice now. You're still recording, right? Yeah. On my belt, you can see I'm carrying the Leatherman Juice XE6. Is a beefy, a small multi-tool. I would love to have a S2, but this one's the only one that I can find and that I can afford, actually. And I'm carrying it with the original Leatherman sheath on my belt, which is nice because it's a really nice leather sheath. That's on my left cheek pocket, I mean. my keys. It's the same set of keys, but I replaced the SwissTech multi-tool for the squared E4 from Leatherman, because I've been doing a few wiring work, so I needed that tool on me. And another thing, it's my, on the other cheek, my wallet with the Victorinox hanger, the paracord, and the wallet that you already saw, because it's the Maxpedition Sparkman, I think, with the 32 gigs pen drive inside, secured with the Night Eyes, and that's pretty much it. The only thing that it's missing, it's my pepper spray, that I guess it's on my car right now, and I forgot to take it out. And two more things that I never talk to you about on my EDC, but actually they are the two most important things, I should say three, of my EDC, because it really never lifts my body, so I'm always with it. One is my ring. This is my girlfriend has the same ring. We have been together for 7 years now, so I have a ring, this small and dirty bracelet that my girlfriend gave me. I think it was the first month that we started dating, so it's like 7 years, and it's a really fine thread, so it's amazing. And the wall had it's amazing how well this thing it's handling the time. And the other thing, it's around my neck, and this is this. I'm Catholic, so I have this necklace on my neck all the time, even when I'm taking a bath. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Check out the new outro credits, whatever. See ya. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to give the channel a little bit of support, please write a comment down below, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more videos about gear, knives, tech, unboxing, reviews, EDC, blog, do-it-yourself, and much more. Also, I will leave you a few links where you can find me at any time. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, nos vemos en el próximo. Bye bye.